Okay guys, got the arbor press out, got all of our needed sockets and stuff to do the trunnion kit that we got from Comp Cams. Our buddy Aaron Mick, super great dude. Anyways, they're all in here. I do not have the pliers needed to pull that apart. All right guys, we got a we have a 13/16. Underneath that, we have a 14 millimeter on top of it.
14 millimeters.
And just like that. Empty. All right, so now it's time to put the trunnion upgrade in. So essentially we're going to take this, we're going to get our trunnions here. Okay. We're going to put one in the top, or this side, whatever it is. Like so. And then we're going to take this thing right here, this little piece, we're going to slide it in like that, lay it in there like that. And here's the key part. So take the 5/8, because it's big and it's just the right size. To fit over the, there we go. So you got to get it just perfect. I think if I was going to do this all the time, I'd probably there we go. If I was going to do this all the time, I'd find a piece of, rod, make something like this that would fit it just perfect. All right, that's it, trunnion. And then we got to put these snap rings in. Alrighty guys, let's talk about snap rings and how much fun they are, because they're really not any fun at all. So basically you got these little things right here, fits in there, ka-yow, like that. You get a pair of pliers that will spread it. There's a groove in this thing. It's like Stella. Slide it on there like so. It's all on there. That's what we're going to do to all of these.